Hey guys, it's Karen Mayer. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a new program that people are getting phenomenal results with, up to $1,500 commissions. This is a program by my mentor, Joshua Elder, and I'll tell you since last summer when I started following his teachings, I've had more success than I've had the previous 9 years online. This is just an example. I did a video a little while ago, 3 months ago, about how using his training I was able to make over $43,000, because when you learn how to market the right way, then you can have results. And that's what he teaches in this program, the Six-Figure Partner Program. I'm going to turn this over to one of my business partners, Jonathan. He's going to tell you some of the results that he's gotten, which are really phenomenal. And then at the end, I'll come back and say a few words. So go ahead and listen to Jonathan now.
How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here. So I want to talk to you real quick about the Six-Figure Partner Program that I just got in about a week ago, guys. So literally in the last week, I got 2 high-ticket commission sales. I'm going to show you proof of that right now. Okay, so this is the Six-Figure Partner Program. And if you've seen my videos before, this is a program where you can literally copy and paste Joshua Elder, which is my mentor. He's a 7-figure earner, and you can copy his YouTube videos, his funnels, literally like exactly. So if you're scared of making YouTube videos, you can literally copy his stuff. So I talked about that a few videos back, but that's what I've been doing literally on autopilot. I've been able to get 2 high ticket sales in the last week. Let me show you one that I got yesterday. Here's the group here. This is the Facebook group of the Six-Figure Partner Program. As you can see here, it says, congrats to Jonathan Montoya on making a 6-figure partner program 3-pay sale. Okay, so this is a 3-pay sale, guys. That means I'm going to get 2 more. Okay, so you can see here the total sale is $1,800, so I'm going to get 2 more of those. Okay, so that is about, a little bit more than a $5,000 sale on one sale. Okay, so that is still coming in. And then let me show you my back office here. I actually made another one not too long ago. So this should be about a little over $10,000, guys, in not that long. So I'm super excited about this 6-figure partner program because, like I said, you can literally copy and paste his YouTube videos and you can start making money. So if you're scared of making like YouTube videos, if you don't know how to do an email marketing, if you don't know how to run ads, he's literally going to do everything for you. Like if you have an extra 30 minutes a day, you literally copy his videos and upload them to YouTube. You put your affiliate link in there. In my case, I'm putting the link to the 6-figure partner program, and they go to your link based on the YouTube video that Joshua made, and you get a sale. And that's how I've been doing it, guys. So this has been an awesome program. I mean, this is something that has really changed my life. When I first started YouTube, guys, I was so nervous to make videos. And through Joshua Elder, he's been my main mentor when I first started my online business. So now, I finally got the courage to start making my own content. Now, I'm not saying you have to make your own content, but, I'm still using his content to leverage, his videos, his expertise in my YouTube channel. But now, now that I'm able to follow his stuff, follow his YouTube tactics, I've been able to make these high ticket sales. So I highly, highly recommend the 6-figure partner program, guys. As you can see, in the last week, I've been able to get 2 high-ticket sales, guys. That's over $10,000, and I think they pay 50%. They pay 50%, and they even have salespeople making the sales for you. It's incredible. It's an amazing program. I've never seen anything like it, so I highly recommend it. If you guys are interested in the 6-figure partner program, there's a link below. So click the link, and someone's going to reach out to you and see if you're a good fit for the program. Joshua does not accept everyone into his program just because he's all about results. He wants people to see results. He wants people to put in the work. So if you are interested, click the link and you'll schedule a call with a coach, and they'll go through and see if you're a good fit for the company, and we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to get on real quick and show you my results in just the last few weeks, and last few week actually. And then yesterday was an awesome win for me, guys. I was really excited about this one. I mean, imagine you literally need 1 or 2 of these a month and you can quit your 9-to-5 job. So super pumped about this, guys. Like I looked at this after the gym and I was like, yes, like I was so happy. I'll even show you the email here, so check it out. Right here, you've made an affiliate sale. It was around 5:30 p.m. I was just getting to the gym. I got out of the gym around 6:30 and I saw this, guys. This is just one of 3. So I'm going to get 2 more $1,800 sales, so that I'll get 50% of that commission. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. If you are interested, please click on the first link below.
Right, like Jonathan said, if you are interested in partnering with us, click the first link in the description below the video. And congratulations to Jonathan. He's a good friend of mine. I'm super happy for him. That being said, this is Karen signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.